Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Mitchell FX here. Before we get into today's video, if you could firstly hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, that would be massively appreciated. Right then, so today is currently Wednesday the 18th of June and it is 10:30, so the market's now closed. I'm just gonna have a little bit of a quick rundown, nothing too in depth, and just see where the market has gone halfway through the week, possibilities where it could be going, etc. So Australian dollar US dollar, it has literally just been in this zone since last Thursday the 5th of June. So what's that, like a week, 2 weeks ago, and it has literally just been bouncing sideways. So I said either break and retest above, break and retest below, and it just has not done it. It has literally just been bouncing back and forth between pretty much every single zone I've drawn. It's bounced down here, it's come back up, it's bounced up to this one, come back down into this one, so it's just going sideways. AUDUSD at the minute is just sideways, and for me, you don't want to be trading sideways. You want to be trading nice break and retests, you know what I mean, on the upside. Nothing that is moving sideways. It just makes life so much more difficult to trade. Bitcoin US dollar, again, pretty much the same. I said if it breaks below, retests and then sell, or breaks above, retests and buy. And again, it's just been one of them weeks. Everything seems to be moving sideways at the minute. You know, not every week's a good week. You know, there are weeks where you are going to get sideways movement. EURGBP again has, like, since yesterday, like, has not done a lot. I just, one of them weeks. I don't know why it's just been like this week, but it just might be a case of just be patient. Something will come eventually. Again, it just needs some solid, like this, some solid lower lows, lower high, no, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now it broke that. Potential break and retest, tested our zone beautifully for that sell. So again, that's where I'll stand on Euro US dollar, somewhere in this zone for a sell. GJ, okay, we are on that trend line that I've drawn. Let me zoom out of it so I can show you. In fact, I think I drew it on the daily. Yes, I did. It's got multiple touches throughout this key line here. You know, and again, looks like it's just starting to reject that trend line and bounce off it. If I'm honest, I think it will break and retest through. However, let's just wait and see. I'll leave that on for now. Again, just not really done a fat lot. GBPUSD dollar. Let's have a look. I feel like I'm going so quick through these charts right now, but it's just because nothing really is occurring. I said possible break and retest for that buy. You know, and again, look, let's just draw from this bottom movement straight away to that top movement. So it is at that key level. You know, it's literally bang on that key level. It might push down a little bit more, so possible sell, but again, we shall see. I am quite optimistic with the charts this week. I'll be honest, it's been a very slow week. Again, you know, higher highs, higher lows being formed. We're at this high here, so we just need to break that high retest. We are on a trend line again. I think I drew this on the daily, did I? Yes, I did. So we've got a strong trend line on the high charts, the daily. You know, rather than just drawing it on the 5 minute or 15 minutes, a strong trend line. The higher the time frame, the more stronger the trend. It's like now, let's say if I dropped it down to 30 and I did, I don't know, let me just draw something now from there to there, right? Ideally, the bigger time frames are a lot more stronger than the smaller time frames, okay? You know what I mean? So it's like, what was I saying? The 4 hours, the dailies, all of those. Look, this is on the 4 hour. All of these are literally so much more respected, and it makes life so much easier. Well, that's where we're at for this one. Got a little bit of a, you know, uptrend, so we will see if it breaks and retests. XAU US dollar, I will not be talking about that, looking at that, anything about that, anything yet, because I'm in the middle of a challenge. Video will be uploaded Friday. I'll probably do it Friday, to be honest, Friday or Saturday, when the market's closed, usual time around 10:30. And yeah, that is basically it. The video is on there, just a little bit of challenge. There are previous videos if you'd like to give them a watch. Again, everything on there is 100%. I'm not hiding anything, just showing you the real, oh my god, showing you realistically what it's like to actually try and grow small accounts, how difficult it is. You know, because you're not going to win every trade, even though there are a lot of people that try and make out like, you know, they win every single one, but that is just simply not true. If that was the case, if everybody was winning, everybody would be, you know, rich as hell and never work again. So, you know, realistically, oh my gosh, what is going on? I'm doing XAUUSD, very, very raw. It's all on there. Exact entries, stop losses, TPs, exact wins, losses. And again, if we blow the account, we'll do either the same challenge again, a different challenge. If I grow the account, then we'll just keep uploading videos on that. But that is me. Peace out.